Hello, welcome back to Everyday English. Do you want to learn the most common American English slang words and phrases that will help you sound like a native speaker? In this video, we'll cover essential slang vocabulary that'll make you feel more confident in your everyday conversations. Let's dive in.
Hey, you got a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I just finished that project we were working on.
That's awesome. I knew you'd pull it off.
Thanks. It feels great to finally have it done.
So sweet. Let's celebrate later.
Sweet. Sweet. It literally refers to something that has a sugary or honey-like taste. However, when used as slang, it means cool or nice. Use this slang term when you think something is cool or you're pleased about something.
Example. The surprise party you planned for Sarah was really sweet. The surprise party you planned for Sarah was really sweet.
Also, someone who is kind and nice can be described as a sweet person.
Example. Linda is a sweet nurse. She always checks on her patients to make sure they feel comfortable and cared for. Linda is a sweet nurse. She always checks on her patients to make sure they feel comfortable and cared for.
Awesome. Awesome. Awesome means great. When describing something amazing, use this slang term. When a friend or family member wins first place in a competition or test, for instance, you can tell them, "That's awesome."
Example, you passed the exam with an A+. Wow, that's awesome. You passed the exam with an A+. Wow, that's awesome.
What's going on here?
What do you mean?
I can't believe how empty it is in here these days.
I know, right? This place is dead.
Last week it was packed. What happened?
Maybe everyone went to that new spot down the street.
Dead. Dead. Dead refers to when someone has passed away or is no longer with us. However, as a slang term, it describes a place that is empty, unpopular, or not liked.
Example. This place is dead. Maybe we should check out that new bar downtown instead. This place is dead. Maybe we should check out that new bar downtown instead.
Packed. Packed. The term packed refers to a place that is filled or very crowded. For example, if a restaurant or cinema is filled with people and there are no available seats, you can say, "This place is packed." Example. The packed airport made it difficult to find a place to sit while waiting for my flight. The packed airport made it difficult to find a place to sit while waiting for my flight.
I believe I visited that restaurant before.
Really? Does anything ring a bell?
Yes, I remember the amazing chicken they served. And less pricey than this place.
Oh, now I get it.
Ring a bell. Ring a bell. The phrase ring a bell means to strike a bell to produce a sound, but when used as a slang expression, it means to remind someone of something. If something rings a bell, it feels familiar, but you don't exactly remember when or where.
Example. Do you remember the name of that restaurant we visited last year?
No, it doesn't ring a bell.
Do you remember the name of that restaurant we visited last year?
No, it doesn't ring a bell.
Pricey. Pricey. If you describe something as pricey, you are indicating that it is costly. In other words, it means expensive or costs a lot of money.
Example: the restaurant has tasty food, but the menu is quite pricey for a casual dinner. The restaurant has tasty food, but the menu is quite pricey for a casual dinner.
You wanted to see me?
Yeah, look, don't get this the wrong way. I think the main issue with our project is poor communication.
Yeah, exactly. You hit the nail on the head with that. We should find a way to resolve it.
If we improve that, the rest will follow smoothly.
Agreed. Let's schedule a meeting to address it.
Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. If you literally hit the nail on the head, it means to hit the nail with a hammer on the right spot to get it in. But if this term is used as slang, it means finding the correct answer at the right time. When using a hammer and nail for the first time, there's a good chance you might accidentally hit your finger. Definitely not a pleasant experience. However, if you manage to hit the nail correctly, it means you've done it right and hit the nail on the head. In conversation context, if someone says, "You hit the nail on the head," or "You nailed it," it means you got the correct answer.
Example: you hit the nail on the head when you said that better teamwork will improve our results. You hit the nail on the head when you said that better teamwork will improve our results.
Hello again. If you're enjoying the video, I would highly appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Thanks.
I just scored some free coffee with that loyalty app.
Seriously? That's sweet. How'd you do that?
I just had to buy 5 drinks and the 6th one is on the house.
Cool.
Yeah, it's like getting a bonus for being a regular.
I see what you did there. Get it?
Score. Score. In a literal term, to score means to earn a point or goal in a competition. However, if used as a slang expression, it refers to obtaining or getting something, often with effort or luck.
Example: after days of searching, I finally scored a great deal on a new laptop. After days of searching, I finally scored a great deal on a new laptop.
On the house. On the house. The phrase "on the house" refers to something offered free of charge, with the expense covered by the establishment, such as a restaurant or bar. So if the next time you go out to eat at a restaurant or bar, and the waiter or the manager offers you something and says, "on the house," it means you don't have to pay for it, but you just have to say kind words or leave a tip.
Example: since it was my birthday, the waiter surprised me by saying my meal would be on the house. Since it was my birthday, the waiter surprised me by saying my meal would be on the house.
Get it? Get it? The slang term "get it" is commonly used to ask if someone understands a statement or catches the meaning of an idea or joke. It can also be used to check if someone is following along in a conversation. If someone tells you a joke and you don't get it, you likely don't understand the context or meaning behind it.
Example: I explained the joke twice, but I don't think he really gets it. I explained the joke twice, but I don't think he really gets it.
There you have it. Slang words and expressions to use in your daily conversation. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.